Another federal agency is deliberately undermining the president's agenda, and it could result in serious injury to Americans. We all know that drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic, which are categorized as GLP-1 medications, they're very popular in America. And as people started using these drugs for weight loss, despite the FDA's intended use for diabetes, this rise in popularity caused a supply chain shortage. In an effort to fill that supply chain shortage, which feels noble at first, the FDA allowed 8 Chinese companies who are making fake versions of these GLP-1 compounds to flood the American market. This happens mostly on those telehealth websites where you just answer 5 questions and automatically qualify for these drugs. So in the name of inclusion and accessibility to life-saving drugs, these Chinese companies are successfully taking control of the supply chain and flooding the American market with knockoff versions of these drugs. And the FDA is just allowing it. I'm not opposed to competition and making prescription drugs cheaper. That's great. But what's being sold to Americans from a foreign adversary is not being properly vetted. President Trump's entire America First agenda is about positioning American companies and supply chains to help American companies flourish and provide the best quality products to Americans. The FDA failing to crack down on phony Chinese pharmaceutical companies and their fake products is a blatant undermining of that exact agenda.